We leave in 15 minutes.
No. No, don't make me. I'm busy.
Whatever, dude. I'll just go to the shop by myself and work on your car by myself.
Rick, no. That's a lie.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we are finishing Bobby's STI, and we do plan on getting a base map on the car, and hopefully, if all goes as planned, doing the first start on this thing. It's been a fun build. It went by way too fast. It's kind of coming to an end for now. This step of the build, this stage of the build is coming to an end. Obviously, we have more plans for it in the future. I think you guys know. But yeah, let's head to the shop and finish this thing. Bet you $5 Bobby slams the trunk.
Morning.
All right, we made it to the shop. Let's finish up this project. So we have to, all we need to do is bolt down power steering, alternator, EC compressor, finish up the wiring, harness for the flex fuel sensor, which is very, very easy. All we have is this right here. That will go to the rear O2 sensor. That's the actual plug-in for the flex fuel sensor. And then this guy right here will go to a TGV. So we have that. Intercooler piping with the tile BOV that just showed up today, just in time. Absolutely beautiful. So we got to get those pieces on, get all the clamps on, the intercooler piping, throw the intake back on, add oil, throw on the front O2 sensor. And then from there, we should be ready for the first start, which I'm excited for. Very, very excited for. Bobby left. Bobby took the truck and left. I want her to be here for the first start. We just got all the intercooler piping on. Everything is tight. BOV is on. Intake is on. What else did we do? All the stuff up front. All those clamps are on. All those clamps are tight. We have 4 wiring projects left, or I guess 5. So we have the front O2 sensor, rear O2 sensor, intake air temp sensor, and wiring that plugs into the factory math. And then we have wiring for the Cobb Flex fuel sensor. So I'm gonna button all that up real quick, and then we have to do fluids. And we need to mock up a wideband, but we don't have the pod for the wideband yet. So for now, she's sitting on your dash. Is that sus? IAT sensor is on. All the wiring is finished up for the flex fuel. O2 sensors are on. Everything's finished up. Relocated this giant drain hose for the AOS to the other side because a little too close to that downpipe for my liking. All we really need to do now is slap in a wideband, but I don't want to do that, so I'm gonna go take a break. Good night. Oh, it almost started. Okay, so we got the wideband hooked up. It's just temporary to show him who's tuning.
Yeah.
I'll show you guys who's tuning the car here in a minute. Do I dare? We are a few minutes away from the first start on this thing, and apparently it's gonna be pretty loud.
What's the word on the street?
The man himself. Bader built.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
Took a hot minute to get back here, you know, fresh out of jail.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, was that the last video?
I'm pretty sure it's the last video that I've been in with you.
Damn.
He disowned me afterwards.
You ready to go run from the cops in this thing? So as of recently, Bader has started tuning, right? And now he's doing Bobby's car.
Figured it's only fitting, right?
Mm-hmm.
For the power you guys want and some of the mods that you have on the car, I think we'll go really far with it.
I'm so nervous.
What's it gonna make? Stock motor.
Stock motor, we've made as much as 600 plus wheel on stock motors. For those of you that don't think they can hold it, they have held it just fine. But, you know, if you want a nice safe setup that you can have fun with, 500 wheel is usually the limit on a stock motor. But we can definitely make more whenever you're ready.
450 is good for me.
Bob,
Yeah,
you ready?
I guess.
Ah, sheesh. All right, Bader. Let's see if she'll start. Oh, wait. I forgot like 40 things to plug in underneath.
Hey.
Hold on. Give me a little bit of time. Well, let's see. Coils aren't plugged in.
Oh.
Yeah. Some other stuff. Kind of forgot. All right, so the coils were unplugged and cam sensors and some other stuff was unplugged underneath, but I think we should be good now. Rod knock. I hear it. We don't have any leaks yet. Bro, it runs.
It does. I'm going to turn off some of the cold start tables real quick to get rid of that annoying cold start. But no, she does run and everything sounds good to fire it up.
Dude, it sounds so good.
Told you it's going to be louder than that little VF was.
Yeah, no, that's loud. Is that like loud enough?
I'm shocked on how loud that is.
Too loud?
No, it's not too loud. It's perfect.
We can put the stock exhaust back on.
Frick that, babe. So loud.
What do you think?
I love her.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
It's so like, I'm used to like a built motor,
Are you
know?
excited?
Yeah, I am excited. This is kind of exciting.
I know. It's like we just birthed a new baby.
Yes.
Sticking out of your teeth.
I don't want to.
Everything's looking good. Hey, look at that injector scaling right now. We're only 1 to 2%. Now it's going up 3%.
What does that mean?
So what I'm targeting here to my VE table, and then we have our front air fuel sensor, right?
Yeah.
And then you have air fuel correction. So the factory ECU can pull 25% either way.
Okay.
Adding and taking away. Normal industry standard, you want 5% or less. And we're right on the money for just starting the car. It's obviously going to change. We're going to have to set fuel pressure, but
yeah,
right now you can see where our air fuel is.
Oh, solid.
Yeah.
Getting my exhaust tips 30.
We've been dealing with a fuel leak coming from one of these AN lines.
It sounds a lot better now.
Yeah.
Return is. I mean, that's why it was sounding so weird.
Okay, well we're good. It was dripping pretty good before, so no more leaks there.
Now, dialing this idle.
Send her to the moon.
Okay.
All right, let's do another little cold start, half warm start. This thing sounds good. I'm impressed with how, I thought it was gonna be a lot quieter with this muffled version of the ETS, but it's like perfect, and Bobby likes it as well. She sounds real good. We also had some oil leak issues for the turbo feed that we had to fix, so I think from here on out, we should be good. No more leaks. All right, we got the leaks fixed Everything's good to go. Idle is solid. Startup is all right. We are gonna go on the first drive. Ready to make the sauce?
Oh, I'm ready. You know I'm ready.
What do you think?
She's a ripper.
Getting there. So we're all done tuning for the day.
Virtual dyno shows right now the car is at 313 wheel. Obviously we just use it as a tuning tool for me to see changes on the ECU since we don't have a dyno. But car's feeling really good. We're keeping it very conservative and there's definitely a lot more
For now.
to go. For now.
It's got a ways to go. It feels good though, nice and smooth, and it sounds sick as hell.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, thank you, man. I know we only made 315 so far on 15 pounds, but all said and done, we'll be in that 400 range on pump. What do you think?
It's already faster than what it was before, and we
Yeah.
just have like a base pretty much on it. Basically.
No. And it sounds so good. It sounds so good. There's some people, you know, saying, why do equal length headers? We do equal length headers because they sound good.
It sounds crazy. I don't even feel like that's my car. Gary?
Well, we got to put your bumper on, maybe clean up the shop a little bit, and then you can take it.
Okay.
My brother's bachelor party is this weekend, so we can't finish tuning this car until Monday. Early next week, finish off pump gas map, hopefully make like that 400 wheel, and then go to 85, and hopefully make like, we'll be over 500 for sure on E. Bobby has yet to drive the car, and she's gonna go for a little rip right now. I wish she would wait till it's done. So,
just to drive it? I'm not gonna rip on it, I just wanna drive.
you just wanna like feel the experience?
Yeah. I already like just starting it up and like but we need gas. ASAP.
We got E85 in the shop, let's stop it in.
Not ready for that, and the car is obviously not tuned to that yet.
This brings me great joy. If there's one thing in life that makes a man happy, you know, it's just having rotated turbo kits on your vehicles and your girlfriend's vehicles. If you guys are struggling in life in like any way, shape, or form, I'd highly recommend picking up a turbo kit for your car. It solves a lot of problems. Not lying.
Whoa, why does it feel Like, why does everything feel weird? It doesn't feel stock.
She built.
Like legit, this feels different and my clutch. Why?
I may have done a triple disc while you were away.
No. Just the noises that she makes.
Before you run her a little bit lean.
Okay. Oh, whoa. I thought that car was
Sounds is I'm gonna say this till I'm dead. I love how equal length external gated STI sound. Like Subarus and what are they doing?
I don't know.
They're like running shit over.
I got 20 more miles.
Alright, let's grab some fuel and then you can let her eat some more. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I'm freaking stoked. I'm excited to see how long this motor lasts as well. I told Bader, keep it conservative, but also like we want to make power, but we don't want to blow it up quite yet. So that's kind of what he's doing. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.